choosing the right programming language can be overwhelming. Let's explore which language suits your goals best. Python is perfect for data science, machine learning, and web development. Its easy syntax and vast libraries make it beginner-friendly. JavaScript powers the web. It's essential for front-end and back-end development and mobile apps. Frameworks like React and Node.js are popular. Java and Kotlin are the go-to for Android app development. They offer stability and scalability, officially supported by Android. C++ is ideal for game development and high-performance applications. It's fast and close to hardware, using engines like Unreal. C# is popular for Windows apps and Unity game development. It's favored by game developers and for enterprise solutions. R excels in statistical analysis and data visualization. It's a favorite among data scientists for analytics. PHP is widely used. It's easy to create dynamic websites, especially with WordPress. Go, built by Google, is great for cloud services and scalable APIs. Its simple syntax is ideal for performance and concurrency. Choose a language based on your goals, not just popularity. Which language are you excited to learn? Comment below and subscribe to this channel for more like this.